Welcome to this Clayverest tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to rebaseline roadmap items. Rebaselining lets you define the baseline dates that will serve as the reference for your project. You can do this once your initial planning is complete and you'd like to freeze it as your baseline. Or later in the project, after your schedule has been revised and a new baseline has been approved. To rebaseline items, select one or multiple items by clicking on Select All button. Right-click one of the items and choose Settings. Go to the Planning tab. Under Rebaseline this item, click Configure. You can then choose whether to align the baseline with the planned dates or, if available, with the actual dates. Click Apply to confirm. The baseline dates are immediately updated for the selected items. To see your baseline on the roadmap, check out our tutorial on displaying baseline dates. And that's it. Now it's your turn.